How to activate Comerica Debit Card. To activate a Comerica Debit Card, you can call the provided activation number or visit an ATM and follow the on-screen instructions. Or you may even head over to mobile bank or online banking. So first of all, log in into your Comerica online banking and you can navigate to the card management or similar section. After that, you can select the new debit card you want to activate and just follow the prompts to set up a new PIN and complete the activation process. And that way, you can activate Comerica debit card. That is one of the method available. What you can do is basically go ahead and call the activation number or by phone. So you can call the debit card activation number available on their website or basically find it on your card as well and then follow the prompts to activate your card. You may need to enter up your some card details or personal information to verify your identity. Just go ahead and follow the automated instructions for that. And that will basically activate your debit card for Comerica. Apart from that, you can use your existing PIN. So once you've received your card, you can use the existing PIN to make a purchase at one point of sale of terminal or withdraw cash at an ATM. And that action automatically activates the card and deactivates the old one. So these are some of the methods available if you'd like to activate your commercial Comerica debit card. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.